Well, we got the losers on deck this morning. We got the losers on deck this morning. Gray car. One of those funky ass cars with the headlights, right? Gang stalking modified car. That's all it is. That's all it is. That's all it is. Right there. Gang stalking modified car. Worthless fucking piece of shit. That's all it is. Worthless fucking piece of shit. You got the loud exhaust. You got the idiot with the fucking crazy headlights. Loud exhaust car. And I don't really give a fuck. I'm just pointing it out. And of course, they're gray and white, right? Watch, listen to this loud car that they spent a lot of money to fucking make it loud and fucked up. So they spend a lot of money to fuck up a car to irritate, is what they do, basically. So see what I mean? There you go. Loser status. We have one right in front of us here. Right in front of us, and all around us, actually. And all around us. See that pack of cars right there? Saturday morning at 6:30 in the morning. Gang stalking pack of cars. That's all that is. That's all that is. Bunch of motherfucking losers.